Hi everyone! Green idli and avial is in lunch menu today. Avial is prepared with lots of vegetables that are difficult to cut. My Kai knife combo set has made this job so easy for me. Wash and chop vegetables mentioned for the recipe. Chop and dip yam in lemon water to remove its itchiness. Kai knife super sharp blades gives refined slices so no nutrient is lost while chopping. The blades are made with modern carbon steel and that's why they are absolutely rust proof. And I can hold the knife handle so comfortably. Now all my vegetables have been prepped, so let's move on to the next step. Here I also got the multi-purpose manual food processor. No electricity needed for using this tool. You can do all your chopping, mincing, whipping, blending and ice crushing in this little magical tool. I am done crushing green peas and blending idli batter all in this single machine. Preparing food is easier, faster and safer when you have right kind of tools. My idli batter is seasoned and ready. I'll add ENO and pour in idli molds. Steam cook for 15 to 20 minutes. For avial, cook all chopped vegetables in salted water in order mentioned in the recipe. If you're wondering how to get Kai knives, they are available on Amazon. You can go ahead and check them out. Meantime, make a paste of coconut chili and cumin. Add this paste to cooked vegetables along with thick curd. Switch off the heat and avial is ready. Serve this yummy winter special dish with some hot coconut oil and curry leaves. For recipe and other details, please go through the captions given in this video. Bye bye.